Hello everybody, it's Nicolas and I hope you are great for this video to introduce this YouTube channel. Who I am, my name is Nicolas, I'm a Frenchman and at the same time I'm an online teacher. What I'm teaching online, I'm teaching about many tutorials about graphic design software. When I'm talking about graphic design software, it's very various. So it means it can be graphic design software like Photoshop, like Illustrator, like InDesign, but this is something that the most famous graphic design software, Lightroom also, but it's very interesting because I'm also going to talk and make many interesting tutorials about graphic design software, amazing and just less famous. So we are going also to talk about GIMP, about Inkscape, about Scribus, about all this graphic design software, about also all the Affinity. We are going also to talk about not only graphic design software, but also 3D modeling software like Blender, like SketchUp, and also why not 2D animation, because also Adobe Animate, Character Animator, or again OpenToonz, Synthing Studio. So all these things we are going to see that on these channels. Why it's extremely interesting? Because you will realize that many open source software are just great and are just amazing. And for me, it's a pleasure each time to create tutorial, to teach online about all this graphic design software. I do this since many years. I like to concentrate, to focus many of my time on this because it is for me a passion, and at the same time this is a living for me. So what you will see in these channels, in this channel you will have different tutorials, each time about a graphic design software. So I will make each time a concrete introduction. Thanks to that you will be able to see what is the interest of this software, why you will be able to use this software, and why it is interesting to use this type of software. And after each time you will have also some tutorial about the software. Something interesting is I have many different courses. And each time that I will create tutorial, I will propose in link on the description a full course. And like this, if you are interested because you think that the tutorial are great and at the same time you want to learn more with me as a teacher, you will be able to click on the link on the description and you will have access to a complete course just to see the description of the course, what you will have as a models or again as a sessions. So this is the type of things that you will learn in this graphic design channels. I'm talking about graphic design, but in just general. After you will see also things about animation, about 3D modeling, about many different things. In this video, I'm talking about the software Character Animator. Character Animator is just amazing because you can talk like this, you can just use a puppet and after the camera is recording yourself and you can talk and the camera will repeat, the puppet will repeat exactly what you are talking. So this is why it's an extremely fun and powerful software at the same time. So this is Character Animator. So if you want to learn more, if you want to learn about graphic design software, if you want to learn about animation, about 3D modeling, about many different things, if for you it's a passion or if for you it's also for a professional purpose, you can follow these channels. I can advise you, if you like what I'm doing, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channels. You can also make like on the video, and on this I can tell you see you.